Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where we explore just how easy it is to edit an existing quote's line items, dates, using Kugamon, Salesforce, AI, and Cloud. So let's dive right in and explore it further together. Now, if you've been following along and have already watched the previous related video tutorials, just know we're going to pick up where we left off. If you're just tuning in and you're in a similar situation where you have access to Cloud, AI, Salesforce, and Kugamon, you have just used Cloud to create a quote and you need to make some adjustments to that quote. Well, we're going to start from that point and create our scenario. Now from here, you're either going to create a new chat, or if you're in the boat where we're just picking things up and you have already created your quote with Cloud, we're going to continue that chat. So whether you're in either boat, we're going to now ask Cloud to update the related quote, and we're going to change one of the line items. And we're also going to ask it to change the dates so that all of those line items start dates actually are the 1st of next month. So right now I'm recording this video in December, which means that we are going to ask Cloud to update, in my situation, 2 line items so that the start date of those 2 line items is January 1st, 2026. Now, you will need to tweak your question so that it makes sense for your unique scenario. Essentially, we're asking Cloud to modify the line items in an existing quote. So in my case, I am changing this support silver to this support gold, and then also asking it to change the dates. So once you have created that for you, let's go ahead and ask away. Now, once it's doing this, I just want to open this tab here where I do have the existing quote. So I'm going to duplicate this and click Create PDF so that we see the current snapshot of the quote before Cloud and AI have done any changes. So, okay, great. Now we see that it's asking to delete the existing support silver, create the new one, and update the dates. It's asking us for permission. Yes. You'll likely have your own version of these questions as well. So go ahead and say yes when appropriate. All right, so now as you see on my screen, the quote is updated, and likely the total amount on your own quote will have changed as well. So I'm going to ask this question and click Save. All right, so now we see the summary here on my screen, letting us know the quote has been updated. The new total amount value has changed, which makes complete sense. The dates have been updated and the support has been swapped from silver to gold. So all of this looks good. I just want to remind you that here on this first tab, I have a quote PDF of the original quote. So here in this second tab, I have the same quote. So I'm just going to refresh this. I could also click on this link, but it's okay. So here is the refreshed quote. Okay, the date required has been already updated here, but let's click on Create PDF. and just zoom in a little bit. Okay, great. So now here the date available has been changed to January 1st, 2026, and the support is now support gold. In contrast, the date was previously December 18th, and it was previously support silver instead of support gold. So we can see that Claude has updated the existing quote perfectly and made life so much easier for us. If you have any questions about any of the steps that we touched upon in this video, leave us your inquiry in the comments below, or if needed, reach out to the appropriate support team at Sierra AI, Claude, Salesforce, or Kugamon. But did you want to learn more? Take a look at the 2 helpful video tutorials below.